voice message transcripts not working properly on the WhatsApp app, if you can't see transcripts for voice messages, the transcription option isn't available, or the transcript isn't generated correctly, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix voice message transcripts on WhatsApp app. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp. Then in this page, we go to these three dots on above. Here we go to settings. In this list, you will go to chats. After that, you will find here voice message transcripts, and you will tap here. You will click choose language, and you will choose here the language that you want to do a transcription, and you will click here English. Then you will click set up now. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.